All right, friends, welcome to my kitchen. I have a bunch of things here that you'll need because today we're going to make homemade ice cream. So what we need is 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of half and half. We'll need some ice cubes. I just have this so that I can write our name on it in a second. You'll need 2 sandwich baggies and a gallon-sized bag. All right, let's get started. All right, so I'm writing the word ice cream on my bag because I wanted to label my bag. So there's the first sandwich bag, and inside of this one I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to pour the half and half, which is a kind of creamy milk, and I'm going to pour it into the bag. See, it looks like regular milk. But then I'm going to add the vanilla. So this was a brand new vanilla extract. And so I'm opening the lid. And then I'm going to make sure to do half a teaspoon, and I'm going to do it over the bag so I don't spill. But I'm putting half a teaspoon of vanilla. So that's the flavor. The flavor of vanilla looks like that. Maybe you've seen mommy or daddy use it when they bake. And then I'm going to add some sugar. I'm going to pour it in the bag. There we go. And see, it says 1 tablespoon. And that's what the recipe called for. So once all of that is inside of the bag, I'm going to close the bag nice and tight so nothing will spill out, because it looks like milk. We don't want that to pour out. Ooh, so that's milk, sugar, and vanilla. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the other sandwich baggie and you're going to put the milk sandwich baggie into the other one, just so it doesn't open by accident. So you put that inside, and then you're going to want to close it to make sure nothing spills out. All right, so it's shut. Next, I'm taking the big baggie. So this is a gallon-sized bag. I'm going to open it up, and our bag of bag goes inside of there. So our little bag, that's going to be the ice cream, goes into this big bag. And then on top, I'm going to put a bunch of ice cubes. So I'm going to fill the bag with ice cubes. It doesn't have to be filled all the way, but I did end up using 2 trays. Maybe in your kitchen you have a refrigerator that has a thing that dispenses ice cubes, so you can totally get your ice cubes from there. But I ended up having to use 2 trays of ice cubes because that wasn't quite enough. So now that I had my big bag with our small bag inside and a bunch of ice cubes, the next step was to pour salt. And it was just 2 tablespoons of salt. So I made sure to be very careful, and I filled my 2 tablespoon measuring spoon, and I filled that with salt. and then I poured it over the ice cubes. See, 2 tablespoons. So that's what's going to help us cause a reaction as we shake it. You have to be sure to shut that very tightly so that ice cubes don't fly anywhere. So after you zip that up and seal it, that's when we can start shaking it up. And then you gotta shake for 8 minutes. That's a long time. So you might need to have someone in your house help you shake it. You guys can take turns. Shake, shake, shake a little while longer. You gotta shake it for 8 minutes. But after a while, my hands started getting so cold. I was gonna put on gloves, but then I decided to use my sweater to cover my fingers because they were so cold. Okay, friends, so I shook this bag for 8 long minutes, and you can see it looks sort of like ice cream. You'll need a bowl and you'll need a spoon, and I have this paper towel here just in case anything gets messy. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, so let's look. Remember, we have our bag inside of a bag, and we have ice cubes. So I'm just gonna pull out this bag because this is just a bag of ice cubes now. Put that over there. All right, let's see how it turned out. It's a little messy. I think all that shaking with the ice cubes, it punctured a hole. Uh-oh. Friends, it doesn't look like milk anymore. Now, I have a spoon. I have a bowl full of ice cream, and I can use my spoon to kind of take some of that out. Ooh, messy. So look, friends, should I try it? Here I go. It tastes like vanilla ice cream. Very vanilla, but it tastes good. I hope you have fun doing this today, friends. Thanks for watching.